Hey everyone, it's Masana, and let's talk about artboards, those magical spaces where your creative visions come to life. Artboards are like digital canvases for your design dreams, and trust me, they're about to become your new BFFs, whether you're designing a logo, a website, or even a killer social media post. Think of artboards as your secret weapon for organization and visual storytelling. They help you see the big picture of your projects, experiment with different ideas, and ultimately present your work in a polished and professional way. Throughout this video, I'm going to break down artboard creation across 12 different themes and applications, from branding and web design to animation and print materials. We'll explore how to use artboards to streamline your workflow, spark your creativity, and design like a total pro. First up, we're diving into the heart of a brand with brand identity boards. This is where you capture the soul of a brand, showcasing its personality through visuals and design elements. Imagine your artboard as a mood board, but with a purpose. We're talking logo variations in all their glory, from full color versions to sleek single color options. Don't forget the color palette, carefully curated to evoke the brand's vibe, and typography that speaks volumes about its style. And to top it off, we'll sprinkle in some imagery and patterns that scream, "This is so us." Let's move on to the exciting world of web design, where artboards become your digital playground for crafting user-friendly and visually appealing websites. We're talking about mapping out the entire user experience, from the moment someone lands on your homepage to the final call to action. Picture this: an artboard for your desktop version, another for tablets, and yet another for mobile devices. Each artboard ensures your website looks amazing and functions flawlessly across all screen sizes. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty of headers, footers, those all-important navigation menus, content sections that draw you in, and buttons that practically beg to be clicked. Get ready to up your social media game, because artboards are here to transform your feeds from May to mesmerizing. We're diving into the world of cohesive social media campaigns, where each post, story, and banner works together to tell a captivating visual story. Imagine having separate artboards for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, each tailored to the platform's unique dimensions and style. We'll explore how to maintain a consistent look and feel across all your channels, from color palettes and fonts to those eye-catching graphics that make your brand pop. Who says print is dead? Artboards are about to breathe new life into your brochures, flyers, posters, business cards, you name it. We're talking about creating tangible pieces of art that people can hold in their hands and say, "Wow, this is impressive." Get ready to experiment with different layouts, from classic trifolds to modern minimalist designs. We'll explore the power of color, typography, and imagery to create print materials that not only grab attention but also effectively communicate your message. Data visualization is about to get a whole lot more exciting. Artboards are the perfect canvas for transforming complex information into easily digestible and visually appealing infographics. We're talking about creating a story with data, using graphs, icons, statistics, and concise text explanations. Imagine dividing your artboard into sections, each dedicated to a specific piece of the puzzle. We'll explore how to use colors, fonts, and visual hierarchy to guide the viewer's eye and make data comprehension a breeze. Calling all app developers and website creators. Artboards are about to become your new best friend for crafting intuitive and user-friendly interfaces. We're talking about mapping out the entire user journey, from the moment someone opens your app to the moment they achieve their goal. Think of each screen as a separate artboard, carefully designed to guide users seamlessly through the experience. We'll explore how to create different states for buttons, normal, hover, active, to provide visual feedback and make interactions feel natural and intuitive. Calling all artists and storytellers. If you've ever dreamed of bringing characters to life, artboards are your secret weapon. We're talking about creating comprehensive character design boards that showcase every detail, from their physical appearance to their unique personalities. Imagine an artboard dedicated to different angles, front, side, back, so you can visualize your character from every perspective. We'll explore how to capture their essence through facial expressions, costume variations, and even little details that reveal their backstory and motivations. Get ready to tap into your inner creative director because artboards are the ultimate tool for setting the mood and vision for any project. Whether you're working on a film, a fashion line, or even designing your dream home, mood boards are where the magic begins. Think of your artboard as a collage of inspiration, a collection of images, color swatches, textures, and even keywords that evoke the desired atmosphere. We'll explore how to use mood boards to communicate your vision effectively and inspire creativity throughout the entire design process. Artboards are here to make your events unforgettable, from the initial save the date to the post-event social media buzz. We're talking about creating visual materials that capture the essence of your event and get people excited to attend. Imagine separate artboards for invitations, tickets posters, and social media graphics, all designed with a consistent theme and style. We'll explore how to use typography, color, and imagery to create a cohesive look and feel that represents your event perfectly. Get ready to elevate your product packaging game because artboards are about to make your products stand out on the shelves. We're talking about creating packaging designs that not only protect your product but also entice customers and communicate your brand message. Imagine designing different views of your packaging, front, back, and sides on separate artboards. We'll explore how to incorporate essential elements like labels, barcodes, and branding elements while maintaining a visually appealing and informative design. Lights, camera, artboards. If you're passionate about animation, storyboarding is where your ideas come to life. We're talking about visually mapping out your film or animation, frame by frame, to plan scenes, character movements, dialogue, and transitions. Imagine each artboard as a separate frame in your animation, carefully crafted to tell your story visually. We'll explore how to use arrows and annotations to indicate movement and camera angles, bringing your animation to life one frame at a time. Last but not least, let's unleash our creativity with art collages. Artboards provide the perfect digital canvas for merging different art styles, images, and textures into a single cohesive piece. Imagine combining digital art, photography, illustrations, and even found objects to create a visual feast for the eyes. We'll explore how to use artboards to experiment with composition, color, and texture, creating unique and expressive art collages that reflect your personal style. And there you have it, 12 ways artboards can revolutionize your design process. Now, before you dive headfirst into the world of artboards, remember a few key tips. First, keep it organized. Label your artboards clearly and group related designs. Second, maintain consistency. Use the same color palettes, typography, and style throughout your artboards to create a cohesive look and feel. Don't be afraid to experiment. Create multiple variations of a design to see what works best. And finally, embrace the power of grids. Grids are your secret weapon for alignment, balance, and overall visual harmony. So there you have it. No matter what you're designing, artboards are an invaluable tool that will help you visualize your ideas, stay organized, and unleash your creativity. Now go forth and design some amazing things.